it's bright light. Hey, there's your bear. Look. Squiggles. Look at your bear. Your poor dead bear. Yeah. Get the bear. Alright, wait. Are you pulling the fluff out? What'd you do with it? Good. I'll take it. Good. No, you can't have the fluff. Go ahead, chew the bear. The hell is... Give me that. Oh, okay. Go ahead. Don't give me the eyes. Don't give me the side eyes. Go ahead. Get the bear. Squiggles. Get the bear. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get this bear. I'm gonna get it. Watch it. Oh, no, I can't have the bear. I know. I know. He's... Wow. You've killed him. You squishy little nose. And that's definitely the bear's crotch. Okay, we're just gonna stop.